Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of mathematics. And we are on to chapter 14, time and temperature. Right? We have read about the clocks in class 4th. Now we shall learn more about it. And before we go ahead, let us recall what we have learned in class 4th. Just a small recall. And read the clock and write the time correctly in the space provided. See the first one, children, here. You can see in the first one, the small arm is at 6 and the bigger arm is at 12. So this is how much? This is 6 o'clock, right? So we will write 6 here, and beneath also we will write 6 here, and then 0 and 0. 6 double dot 0 0. Right? Look at the second one. The small arm is at 8 and the bigger arm is at 3. So obviously it is quarter past 8. Right? Quarter past 8. You can write an 8 here, and beneath it is, you will be writing 8 is to 15. Right? 8 is to 15. Right? Now half past. See, the small arm is at near about 12 and the bigger arm is at 6. So it is half past 11. Right? Half past, it is 11. And beneath you will write 11 is to 30. Right? 11 is to 30. And this is how you will be doing this exercise. Now, draw the hands on the clock to show the correct time. It's 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock means as the time is complete, R is complete, so the bigger arm will be at 12, right? Bigger arm will be at 12 and the smaller arm will be at 7. So smaller arms at 7 and the bigger arm at 12. Now quarter past 9. How to draw it? Quarter past 9. So quarter is 3, 15 minutes. So the bigger arm at 3 and the smaller one at a little bit above 9. A little bit above 9 you will put it, and then with an arrow. Right? This is how you will be doing this part. Now change it into hours. 3 days. Now 3 days, we know 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 3 days equal to how much? 3 day will be 24 multiplied by 3. So 4 3 is 12, 2 carry forward 1, 3 2 is 6 and 1 7. So 3 days will be 72 hours. HOURS. 5 days and 10 hours. Right? Similarly, if you will be doing this, you will be getting the correct answer. Right? Absolutely similarly, you need to do this. You will be multiplying 24 by 5. Right? 24 5s is 125. 4 the 20, 0 carry forward 2, 5 to the 10 and 2 12. So it is 120. And then you add 10 to this, right? 10 plus 120. So we will get 130. This will be 130 hours. HOURS. Right? 130 hours. Now change it into minutes. Similarly, an hour consists of 60 minutes. So 5 hours will be 5 into 60, that is 300. So this will be how much, children? 300 minutes. Right? Okay. Next is find the time nearest to the correct hour for each of the following. Nearest to the correct hour. Right? Now, see in the first clock here, 1 is very near to 12. Right? So, we can regard this longer arm to be at 12. So, and the shorter one is at 7. So, that means the time shown here is 7 o'clock. Right? Right? It is 7 o'clock. And in the next one, see, 11 is also very near to 12 because it's R which is being we have to show now. We have to take into consideration R. So R is only taken into consideration when the longer arm is at 12, right? So the moment we put the longer arm at 12, it becomes 4 o'clock. So it becomes 4 o'clock. So the answer, this one will be 7 and this one will be 4. Okay. Write time using AM and PM for the following. 6:30 in the morning. 6:30 in the morning. In the morning we write AM, so 6 will be 6:30 AM, right? 6:30 AM. 9:15 in the evening. Evening is PM and it is quarter past. So it would be 9:15 PM, right? 9:15. How many days are there in April between April 19, 2018 to March 26, 2018? April to May 26, 2018. Now you just count. April is of 30 days. So from 19 to 30 it is 12 days. So let's keep on tabulating here. 12 for April. Then the 26 days of May is kept here, 26, and we add the 2, 6 to the 8 and 2 and 1, 3. So here the answer is 38 days. But this 38 days includes 19 and 26. So we exclude the 2 and it will become 36 days, right? We exclude the 2 because how many days are in between, it is asked, from 19 to 26. In between there will be 36 days, right? So we will be subtracting 2 from this and we will be getting 36. Why? So 38 minus 2, and this is how much? 36, right? So here the answer is 36 days. Next, change to 24-hour clock times. 6 AM, it will remain as 6 AM, right? No change in this one. So there is another way of writing this. I think they are looking at this. So this would be 06.00 AM. And 12 PM, it will be written as it is, right? Or 12 PM, if it's 9, night one, so you can write it as 00.00, right? As it is of night. Now change to 12-hour clock times. 0800, it will be 8:00, and 12:20 will be 12:20 hours, right? So we will be writing, and then we will be writing here AM, and here 12:20 PM we will be writing, right? Okay. Now time in hours and minutes, right? Time in hours and minutes. Let us try to do this a little bit. Look at the clock face shown in the right. The face is marked with numeral 1 to 12 at equal distances, right? Now there are 5 small equal divisions between the two successive numerals 1, 2, 3 to 12. So there are 60 divisions in all. The minute hand takes 1 minute in moving from one small mark to the next mark, right? Thus it takes 60 minutes, 1 hour to complete one round of the diameter of the dial. There the hour's hand is between 6 and 7, so the time is past 6 o'clock, but the minute hand is at 2 small division beyond the numeral 7, right? So it is showing 7 into 5 plus 2 minutes, that is 10 minutes, right? 7 intervals each of 5 minutes plus 2 minutes. Okay, and 6, it is 37 minutes past 6 or 6:37. The minute hand has to move through now 6 minus 37 minutes, that is 23 minutes to reach at 12. In another 23 minutes from now, the time will be 7 o'clock. So we can also say that the time is 23 minutes to 7. Hence, time in the clock is 6:37 or 37 minutes past 6 or 23 minutes to 7, right? All are equivalent. Now, what is the time shown on each clock face? See the first one. The small is after 3, so past 3, and the bigger one is at in between 4 or 5. I think it is 2 marks to 4. So 5 4 the 20 plus 2 is 22. So it is 22 minutes past 3. The first one is how much? The first one is 22 minutes past 3, or it is 3 is to, it is 3 is to 22 is the time. Right? Similarly for the next one, the small arm is in between 10 or 11, so it is past 10, and the bigger arm is after 6, and 4 intervals after 6, so it is 10 is to 34. Right? And this is how you have to do this exercise, right? So I stop here, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.